how to message on TikTok, how to DM on TikTok. So if you want to message or DM someone on TikTok, it is very simple to do so. Just launch the TikTok application and this is the type of interface you will see. Now what you can do is simply go to the profile page of the person that you want to DM, and then right there you'll find the option called message. Now you can simply try to send them a message right here. Then after that you can just hit the arrow button to send them a message. Now if you're not being able to send them a message, there could be many reasons. First, make sure that your TikTok account is not under 18 years of age, or maybe the person that you're trying to message is not under 18 years or their account is not under 18 years. When this is the case, you'll not be able to message each other. Another case is if the other person has not allowed direct messages from strangers. So you yourself including can also customize this setting. If you go to profile, tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy, go to privacy. From here you can go to direct messages and you can choose to allow messages from everyone, from suggested friends, or from only some of the friends that you follow back, or nobody. So if the other person has set their privacy settings to any of these, in that case you'll not be able to message them. But in most scenarios you can directly go to their profile and hit them a message. That's all it takes for us to message on TikTok or how to DM. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.